So today we are going to consider the Bohr theory of the hydrogen atom and the quantization of energy in hydrogen atom. According to Bohr, a hydrogen atom consists of a proton at the center and an electron. This electron is orbiting about a proton. So this is our proton. This is the orbiting electron. So this electron is orbiting at a speed v about a proton at a radius r. So the centripetal force on the orbiting electron is due to the electrostatic force. So the centripetal force is mv squared r, which is over r, which is equals to charge of a proton over charge of an electron over 4 pi epsilon naught r squared, where v is the linear speed of orbiting electron and r is the radius of orbit, m is the mass of an electron. Charge of a proton is equals to charge of an electron, which is equals to E. So this can be reduced to mv squared over r is equals to E squared over 4 pi epsilon naught r squared. As the electron is orbiting about a proton, according to quantum mechanics, the angular momentum of the angular momentum of the electron is quantized. So the angular momentum of the electron is quantized. It is quantized according to the equation mvr is equals to n h bar. So mvr, this quantity mvr is the angular momentum. H bar is equals to h over 2 pi. This is the modified Planck's constant. So this equation can be reduced to v is equals to n h bar over mr. R is equals to n h bar over mv. So earlier on we said centripetal force is due to the electrostatic force between the proton and the electron. So the centripetal force is mv squared over r, which is charge of a proton, charge of an electron over 4 pi epsilon naught r squared, which reduces to E squared over 4 pi epsilon naught r squared. So mv squared over r will become over 4 pi epsilon naught r squared. So this r, they cancel. So we cross multiply and have mv squared r is equals to mv squared so we'll have v squared is equals to a squared over 4 pi epsilon naught r times m. Since v is equals to nh bar over mr, since v is equals to nh bar over mr, v squared is equals to e squared over 4 pi epsilon naught mr. So this becomes, since v is equals to nh bar over mr, this becomes nh bar over mr squared is equals to e squared over 4 pi epsilon naught m. So this would become n squared h bar squared over m squared r squared is equals to squared over 4 pi epsilon naught mr. So these r's they cancel. So I'm going to cross multiply this and get n squared h bar squared 4 pi epsilon naught m is equals to e squared m squared r. Then these m's there, they're going to cancel. And then we'll have m e squared over m e squared. So this will cancel. So we'll have this formula now. We have this formula, which is r is equals to n squared h bar squared 4 pi epsilon naught over m e squared. So we can rearrange this equation and have h bar squared 4 pi epsilon naught over m e squared times n squared. So this is the radius at the nth orbit, which is h bar squared 4 pi epsilon naught over m e squared n squared. So according to Bohr, the electron does not orbit at any radius about a proton. It orbits at what are known as allowed radii. So allowed radii orbits at allowed radii. So radius at nth level is called allowed radii. So Rn reduces to a naught n squared, where a naught is equals to h bar squared 4 pi epsilon naught over m e squared. So this is called the Bohr radius. This is called the Bohr radius. So the electron does not orbit at any radius. It orbits at what are known as allowed radii, according to Bohr. So a naught is equal to 0.053 nanometers. If you calculate very well the value of h bar squared 4 pi epsilon naught m e squared, this is the mass of an electron and electronic charge. If you calculate properly, you should get this value. Therefore, the allowed radii would be equal to 0.053 nanometers times n squared. So the allowed radii occur at R1 is equals to A naught, R2 is equals to 4 A naught, R3 is equals to 9 A naught. Set Rn is equals to A naught n squared. So n is equals to 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. So these are allowed radii. You can even have R, which is 16 A naught, where the value of A naught is 0.053 nanometers. N is the nth level at which the electron is orbiting about a proton, hydrogen atom. So now I'm going to move on to the quantization of energy in a hydrogen atom. Quantization of energy in a hydrogen atom. Quantization of energy in a hydrogen atom. So we said the electron is orbiting about a proton with a radius r and at a speed v. So this is our proton, this is our orbiting electron. So we did agree that the centripetal force on the orbiting electron is due to the electrostatic force, which is mv squared over r is equals to charge of a proton, charge of an electron over 4 pi epsilon naught r squared, which reduces to e squared over 4 pi epsilon naught r squared. Right. So want to consider the kinetic energy of an orbiting electron. So m v squared over r is equals to e squared over 4 pi epsilon naught r. So this we should have m v squared is equals to squared over 4 pi epsilon naught. So multiply there by half and there by, which is half mv squared is e squared over 8 pi epsilon naught r. This is the kinetic energy of an orbiting electron. This is the kinetic energy of an orbiting electron. Now we should consider the electrostatic potential energy of orbiting electron. Electrostatic potential energy of orbiting electron. Electrostatic potential energy of the orbiting electron. So electrostatic potential energy is equal to minus e squared over 4 pi epsilon naught r. R being greater than the electron is orbiting about a proton. So total energy of an orbiting electron should also be considered. So total energy is equals to kinetic energy plus electrostatic potential energy, which is over 8 pi epsilon naught r plus minus e squared over 4 pi epsilon naught r. So the total energy now, total energy is going to be 8 pi epsilon naught r, which is e squared minus 2 e squared, which is minus e squared over 8 pi epsilon naught I. That is the total energy. Right. This energy can be reduced to the energy at nth level according to this 8 pi epsilon naught Rn. Rn, we said earlier on, Rn is 4 pi epsilon naught n squared h bar squared over me squared. We agreed that the radius of an orbiting electron does not occur the electron does not orbit at any radius. It orbits at allowed radii according to this equation, where n is the nth energy level. Right. So the energy at the nth level will be minus e squared over 8 pi epsilon naught times 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught n squared h bar squared over me squared. This is going to reduce to minus m e to the power 4 over 8 pi epsilon naught times 4 pi epsilon naught n squared h bar squared. So this reduces to minus m e to the power 4 over 32 pi squared epsilon naught squared h bar squared times 1 over n squared. So finally we should have minus 13.6 electron volts over n squared. This is because m e to the power 4 over 32 pi squared epsilon naught squared h bar squared. If it is properly calculated, it should give you minus 13.6 electron volts. 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 times 10 to the power minus 19 joules. So if you calculate this properly, it should give you this. So the energy of the hydrogen atom at nth level, the energy in the hydrogen atom is quantized. So energy at nth level corresponds to this 13.6 over n squared, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Right. So you can calculate the energy at the lowest energy level, energy of hydrogen atom at the lowest energy level, which is n is equal to 1. So at n is equal to 1, this is equal to minus 13.6 electron volts. So you can calculate even it. N is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, and so on and so on. So for your homework, calculate the value of me to the power 4 over 32 pi squared epsilon naught squared h bar squared. Also calculate the value of the Bohr radius, which is this is homework 1. Calculate the value of 4 pi epsilon naught h bar squared over me squared, which is equal to Bohr radius. Also calculate the value of the Bohr radius, right? Also calculate this value. So thank you till we meet again. Thank you.